Hi and welcome back to new video. In this video we are going to talk about creating a corridor. As we stated previously in the last video, we've made the assembly, we've made the pave 1, pave 2, the shoulders, the daylight, okay, and the conditional cut or fill. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about corridor, how to make one. So first of all, before beginning, we need to delete the super elevation because we're not going to need it for this course. Okay, so just click on it and right click here, click on open tabular editor. This is the correct way to delete the super elevation, and hit on delete or clear all super elevation values. Okay, again, okay. And here we have just a little of it, just delete it. As you can see, it's totally deleted here. Yeah, so let's draw our corridor. Alright, so first of all we need to go to the corridor here and let's give it a name, corridor 1, and the profile should be the design profile, which is VE exam or V exam 2, and the assembly is going to be assembly 1, and the target surface is EX surface. You might not have this toolbox, okay, so I'll show you now what to do. Okay, so we have chosen the surface here. Okay, so if you didn't have that interface or that toolbox in front of you, you just hit on set all targets and click here to set all. You choose EX surface or whatever the surface you made and hit OK. Then OK, and just to make sure, yes, everything is correct, and we hit OK. So you will get this and you hit on rebuild the corridor. Wait for it, and here it is. Just a second, let it load. Okay, so now when you zoom in, this is your road. Okay, this is the road we made. Alright, so let's view it in 3D. Okay, here on object viewer, click on it and then click object viewer. Then you will see it like that. Okay, just okay. So this is supposed to be the road we've made. Okay, just let us flip. Okay, so it's supposed to start from there, but yeah, here it is. Okay, so here our road begins from here. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Begins from here, then it goes this way, to this way, to this way, until here. So this is a 3D view to our road. Okay, this is the 3D view. Here it is. Okay, so now let me show you to the driving mode. So just zoom in here, click on the alignment and hit on drive. You will be given the cursor to choose here. Choose whatever you want. Let's choose ETW here and wait for it. I'm going to set the speed to 100 and hit on play. And this is the road we've made. This is a driving simulation for it. So as you can see, now it's driving along the end of the road. Okay, so yeah, this is the road we've made. This is the designing road, the V exam 2 we've made. So this is the designing road we've made. This is a simulation for it, as I showed you previously, the 3D viewer. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so we're done from the driving mode. This is the end of it. We hit on close. Okay, so this is the driving mode for our way. So this is all for this video. As I told you guys, this is the way we make a corridor. You can see here we have our road. Okay, so this is all for now. This is all what we want. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I hope you got some benefits from this video and you have understood what I show you. Thank you for your watching, and I hope you're enjoying my course. Bye bye. Abbas was with you.